Let's have a conversation together. Try to answer my questions. Every time I ask you a question, click on the space bar and answer. Try to give me as long answer as possible. Do you have grapes on your table now? What do you like to eat pasta with? When was the last time you went to the sea? What's your favorite TV channel and why? Have you ever been bitten by a dog? Do you brush or comb your hair? Do you see a bright future for mankind? Which month follows and precedes August? Which church predominates in your country? What are the advantages and disadvantages of being single? And now try to create sentences or questions from following words: whole, thing, road, narrow, code. And now write down the dictation. After you have written the dictation, try to check it. Try to read it out loud and then check whether you have done any mistakes or not in the transcription of the dictation, which is given in the listening, in the PDF with listening. Wake up, wake up! Susan shouted at me like she was out of her mind. At first, I ignored her, but she didn't stop. Again, she had a dream that she was bitten by a scary monster. I lent her my talisman, and it calmed her down. And we also swapped places on the bed to keep her safe by the wall. I think the seed of a phobia is sprouting in her. That's all for today. Bye.